Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can improve your page's visibility in search engines like Google. Stick with me till the end of this video. I'm Pedro and I will help you out. Right now we are in the website builder editor, and to edit the SEO of each page you can go to the right to manage pages, and here you will see 3 vertical dots and it will take you to the settings. This will work for any of the pages, as you should add these details to every page so that you rank better in the search engine. Let's go to the home page and go to settings, and here you will see a tab with SEO. This is where you will add a page title, page description, and also you'll see a switch here. If you turn it off, this means your page will not be shown in any search engine. For the page title, as you can see, there are many good practices that you can use, and one thing that I can say is to keep it concise, between 50 to 60 characters, and also you can use your brand name in a smart way there, depending on what you're trying to advertise and on which page as well. In my case here, Cookie Monster would be the name of my business, and I will be selling ice creams, for example, and one of the keywords here will be best, Italian, gelato, or recipes. You will need to do a whole research on your keywords on how you can compete as well. And then for the page description, the same situation, you should keep it concise, and you need to find a good way to describe your business while also using keywords. And once again, this is a whole research that you'll have to do, and there are certain tools online like SEMrush or Moz that you can use for that. I encourage you to research that as well. And once you have this done, you then can just click on the X and it will be saved, and then you can do the same for every other page that you have. And don't create duplicates in terms of description and title, as then if your pages appear in Google, it would appear as a duplicate, and people don't like that and they will not be clicking that as well. Once you are done, just go to save and exit, and you'll then have everything saved, and you will go to the website builder manage page. I hope you enjoyed this video and I wish you a great day.